Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to add boarding pass to Google Wallet. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So Google Wallet has been rebranded as Google Pay. The process of adding a boarding pass to Google Pay may vary depending on the airline and the app or service used to generate the boarding pass. Here's a general guide on how to add boarding pass to Google Pay. So first, receive the boarding pass. When you receive your boarding pass, it typically comes in the form of an email or mobile app notification or a downloadable file from the airline or travel provider. Ensure that you have the digital version of the boarding pass ready on your Android device. Then, open Google Pay. So launch the Google Pay app on your mobile device. If you don't have it installed, you can download it from the Google Play Store. Then, tap on the plus button. So look for the plus or add button located at the bottom right corner of the Google Pay app and tap on it. After you've done that, you need to select Boarding Pass. From the list of options, choose Boarding Pass or Flight to add your boarding pass to Google Pay. Then, scan the barcode. If the boarding pass or has a barcode or QR code, align it within the scanning frame that appears on the screen. Google Pay will automatically capture and add the boarding pass to your account. Enter details manually if applicable. If the boarding pass does not have a barcode, you may need to enter the relevant details manually. Tap on the Enter Details Manually option and provide the necessary information such as the flight number, name, and any additional details required. Then finally, confirm and save. After scanning the barcode or entering the details, review the information displayed on the screen. If everything is accurate, tap on the Save or Add to confirm and add the boarding pass to your Google Pay account. So once you've completed these steps, your boarding pass will be stored in the Google Pay app for easy access. You can open the app and navigate to the passes or tickets section to locate and view your boarding pass. Please note that the specific steps and options may vary depending on the airline, travel provider, or the app generating the boarding pass. Some airlines or travel providers may offer dedicated mobile apps that allow you to add a boarding pass directly to Google Pay. So if you encounter any issues or have specific questions regarding adding your boarding pass to Google Pay, it is recommended to reach out to the airline or travel provider support for further assistance. They can provide personalized guidance and help you with any issues specific to their boarding pass process. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!